Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Alright everybody, you don't know who this already, this are the Skilla, you see me? Now, I have a video for show now, as something was going with a JUTC bus driver that got attacked by a passenger. You see me? I say, no, a lot of people, you know, my viewers, subscribers, is like them want to know what really take place. You see me? I say, so this is where me come in now and try to give you a slight idea what going on. You see me? With the whole thing. Because them say that because of this whole wounding thing what happened to the bus driver them must say they go up on a strike. It's actually an assumption. I'm not sure if the bus drivers them on the Portmore route did really actually go up on a strike. But that is what has been said. But we don't really see anything like that pop up or causing any problem, you know, in the whole traffic report. But anyways, here is the video that I'm going to show you of the bus driver in the JUTC bus park at Half Tree, that's alright, with the person who then claims to say that did the whole wounding to the bus driver. You see me? Because they claim to say that's him and the police them hold him in the place or so forth. You see me? I say, no, bear in mind before we play this video. Before we play this video, I must tell you that you know that it's about wounding, so you know what the video might carry a few things that people might not find comfortable looking at. Viewer discretion is advised. Alright? I have to make sure I tell you that. And if you like how I present my video, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, leave a comment, and let me know what you think. Alright? Observe.
The more you talk, the more you bleed. Sit down.
Alright, just easy, calm down. Calm down. Just calm down. Just stop talk, calm down. Calm down.
Sir?
Sorry, you have a run. Get a run and put that pressure over the wound, yeah? Get ready for now. Put that pressure.
Sit down.
Don't worry, put that pressure on the wound. Let's hold it.